Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this video is about Smash Our Stash. This is a collab where the members of the collab work on part of their stash. Each month there is a theme, and this month's theme was to smash a kit of any kind. So I took that as smashing a paper collection kit, and my goal was to use up all the papers and all the stickers and see what I have left. And I did make a folio. It's a little different, so I'll show you in a second, but let me show you what I have left of my stash. So this is all that is left of the collection after I made my little folio. There's this sticker and this sticker and those pieces of paper. So not only did I use up the collection, but I really did a good job of smashing my stash. I did toss out any pieces that were smaller than an inch. So let me take you inside and show you a little bit about this folio. Like I said, it's a little different from my normal folios. Let me just go up a little. Okay, so the cover has this little inner tube I made into a shaker. And what is unique about that is, you know, when you have ATG tape and there's the little plastic rolls? Well, I used that as the shaker base. I mean, it's small enough that I could put it on there and glue the heck out of it. And there's not a lot of components, not a lot of shakers in there, but it adds a little bit of oomph. And I did do a little bit of layering. I don't know if you can see, but this is up on dimensional, so it looks like waves. And then I put the beach ball in it. I did take a doily from my stash, and I put a little bit of the doily there and put a couple of flip-flops on it. So that is the cover, and let me tell you the size of it. 8.5 by 5. You know, I just took some pieces of chipboard that were in my stash. I did not cut them specific. I just grabbed what I could. So it's a little different because normally I would have the same size cover as the back, but it's not. So inside there is this piece. I didn't want to put anything on here just so it would close nicely. Here's the inside front cover. It's a double pocket. There is a photo mat there and just a little card right there. So there's that. Then we open it again, and I'll take you on this side. So there are actually just 4 pocket pages, but you can get a lot of photos in here. And in the pocket page, I just put, this is from a different collection, but the colors matched perfectly. So I just put that in there. I didn't back it on white cardstock. I just put it in so you could get the photos in. I was trying to get the book so it wasn't too thick. Now I did double mat this, and in retrospect I should have double matted all the pages that are white, but again I was trying to make it so it wasn't so thick. But this page you can put a photo under, and of course that is open, so if the photo goes this way, that could be part of the picture or not, depends on what you want. And then this page, there's photo mats there on both sides, so that's for a 4x4 photo and that's for 4x6. And again, it's not attached on the side, so you can put the picture right on there. And same with that. And then this one also has the photo mat inside, and the photo mats are a good size too, 5 by 7.5. So you could put a 4x6 picture on there, or a couple of 4x4s. All right, and then let me show you on this side. So here's the back cover. I know it seems like I'm going backwards. There's a little journaling card. I mean, I thought he was pretty cute. So there's that on the back. Those were from the stickers. And the challenge of using the whole sticker sheet is trying to make it look not too crowded. And there's a couple of cards, tags. This was a cut apart, and it had a lady there, and she just didn't go with the collection, so I cut her out. Here's a belly band on this side. So belly bands are great because you can just stick miscellaneous photos or ephemera in there. There's a nice journaling card. It's got some pastel paper, which I didn't like when I first opened up the collection kit, but it works. And now I look at it and I say, you can write on the back of there. So that's fabulous. And you can put a 4x6 photo on there. So there is the page with the cactus, and here is the photo mat for that page. And this opens, and here's again that room for the 4x6 photo and a 4x4 photo, and it will fit underneath the elements I put on there. So I did paste this on, or let it stick on white paper and then fussy cut around it, and same with the bird. Okay, and now here's the center. So this is the center piece. Well, here. There we go. There's the center. So what I did is I made it a zigzag mini album. Now I've made a zigzag mini album before, but I hadn't ever put it in a folio. And I just thought it was a lot of fun. It just adds something different and gives you a lot of room for lots of mixing and matching of different papers. So on this side, there is just the photo mat in the pocket and another tag. And on this side, same thing. I think I have an extra photo mat here just because I had an extra. So again, 4x6 photos or a 4x4, and then room to write on the bottom. And then a little tag that I just put on a couple of different baker's twines. The colors remind me of sherbet, so I thought that goes really well with the ice cream page. So this first part of the zigzag has just a little pocket. This was from the cut apart page, and I wanted to utilize that. So that's why it's such a small pocket, but it works with here. And so the way this works is it opens that way. Whoops, let me pull that. So there's lots of pages, but you could open it one page at a time. So there's that page. On this one, I just put the bicycle with the sticker and had a pocket going on an angle. Now, when I was getting down to doing these, I had just small pieces of paper, and this one piece had that angle cut out of it. So I just utilized that. Here is, this was from the sticker sheet. I backed it on it, white cardstock, and put some acetate in it. So you could put a photo underneath there. And then here again is that pastel paper, but I think it looks fabulous with that. And then this page is that rainbow paper. I put a small pocket on the bottom with some coordinating cardstock I had in my stash. These were stickers backed on the white cardstock, which is interesting in of itself because I usually use black, but I wanted this to really pop with the bright summer colors. These were stickers from the sticker sheet. I just tried to group them together in a way that works. So again, I went with the zigzag for the pocket, which was easy to do because once you've cut all this, you have all the leftover scraps that are zigzag as well. So a couple of tags. I used some ribbon from my stash. And although you might think this is sideways, which it is, but once you put a 4x6 photo on here, all you're going to see is just 1/8 of a border around it. So you won't even notice the pattern. Oops, where'd that tag go? Come here, you. So he'll stick there, he'll stick there. And then the other side of this, so I put a corner pocket here, and I guess these are supposed to be beach balls. So I added some more of the beach balls, backed them on some cardstock. I just used my circle punch to put that in. Here is another belly band going sideways, and I'll just leave that in there. I just put one of those paper clips from my stash. Normally I don't put something in the middle, but you could put a photo right on top of that. This Sunkissed was on the sticker sheet, but it was one long word. I just cut it in half so it would fit. And then this pocket, I have a photo mat in it. And again, to keep the bulk down, I didn't put all of the pockets on white cardstock. See how this has the white border? So that's on white cardstock. And not that it adds much bulk, but it does add some. So pockets like this one, I just put tape and glued the inside. I wanted to make sure that the glue, I wanted to make sure it was dry. I don't want your, whatever you put in there to get stuck on the tape if it's not adhered all the way. So doesn't that look cool? Isn't that a neat little setting? Maybe if I take this card and put this here. Oh well. Yeah, I like it. I love all the paper. So I also want to tell you that there is a contest going on with Country Craft Creations, of which I'm a design team member. Now this paper wasn't purchased from Country Craft Creations. I had it in my stash, but I did see they had some summer paper in their shop, and the way it works is the designer who has the most people who mention their name in an order gets to pick out of all those people, and they win a $50 gift certificate to the store. So go ahead and check out countrycraftcreations.com, place an order, say Debbie sent me, and you're in for the contest. And even if you don't win, there's a lot of great things in that store, and you should just go check them out. So that's what I have for Smash Our Stash. Thanks to Beth of Bourbon Creek Crafts and Teresa with Fresh and Renewed with Teresa for hosting this collab. And please check out all the other collaborators in the description box below and check out what they made with their kits from their stash. Thanks so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.